Hello guys! Today I received record player. Let's unpack it together. First of all, we have two separate speakers that you can easily connect to our record player. Before I had a record player, but it was very old and it's time to have something new. Looks good. Here we have all outputs, audio out and PC out. We can connect our computer, try something different. This player could use your phone to receive music. This record player accepts 3 sizes of vinyl. Also, you can switch the speed. It's 33, 45 and 78. I'm those kind of person who scares to, broke something so delicate. That's why they have this button to turn off the music correctly. You're not gonna broke anything here. Don't forget to remove this plastic. You can turn on here and switch the volume. You can connect to your headphones. Also, they have aux. Oh, this is Bluetooth. My favorite music is jazz. I don't know do you like or not, but wow, it works. The sound is very clean. If you don't have any vinyl like me now, all my vinyls in the storage, just turn on Bluetooth, use your phone or computer. You can connect directly with this cable to your computer. There is no problem to connect some device. It's so stylish. If we wanna use it with vinyl, you just switch. It's gonna be amazing gift for someone who you love. Buy, try and like.